Hello, do I need to pay taxes on every swing trade? When you sell a stock and you make profit and you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account, yes, you will pay tax on every single one of those profits that you made. When you sell a stock at a loss, you have a loss there. So your losses your profit minus your losses will give you your profit for the year, and that is what will be added to your income to determine your income tax. But when during the year you are swing trading and you want to make estimated tax, what I like to do is just taking all those profit by quarter and calculate the tax on it at the one tax rate and just pay. Doing it like that though, chances are you'll have a refund to have back at the end of the year when you file your taxes. But there are ways to estimate your tax that you'll pay throughout the year that is more detailed if you want to pay close to what you need to pay. But I just like to estimate it so that I can pay more than we need to pay and have a refund back at the end of the year. But yes, if you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account, you'll pay tax on every stocks that you sold, the profit you generated from that trade, not because you buy the stocks that you pay tax, not because you sell the stocks that you pay tax, but how much you sold it for minus how much you pay for that stocks that you sold. The profit from that difference is what you pay tax on. If it turn out to be a loss, you don't pay tax on a loss. The loss will decrease your profit. If you sell some stocks for profit and you sell some for loss, sometimes the stocks, they might even do some mergers and sell the stocks at the price it was selling at that time in your portfolio. And if you have it in the portfolio and it might be a loss, a small profit, but stocks during the year that are sold at a loss and stocks that are sold at a profit, the difference between the two, if you have a profitable year, that profit become an income that you will be taxed on. Today we are going to analyze AVB as of August 4th, 2026. And we are using maximum monthly chart here because those stocks tend to be, I came to maximum daily chart, but let's go back to maximum monthly chart. They tend to take times to grow. I'm using maximum monthly chart to analyze them. So when we are looking at AVB here, is close to the support line I like to buy at than it is to the all-time higher price that I like to sell it at. And right now we purchase it around that support line. It start going up a little bit, but it's nowhere near that all-time highest price, and that all-time highest price is too far back in the past. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And all-time highest price I like to have it in the past 2 or 3 years or so, and having it this far back in the past is just the type of stocks that I like to consider a short-term investment, because it might take some years. And when I say short-term investment is in relation to buy and hold forever, because we are not going to buy and hold forever. We are going to sell it in some years. That's why I'm saying short-term investment. So they are more, or I can just say they are more like investment type of stocks, because it could take some years for that to reach all-time highest price here. So therefore, I don't know, I purchase it here. but it's nowhere near what I would want to sell it. And I put this line here, probably thinking that if it reaches this area, I might just sell it because of the way it's fluctuating. And it reached that area and pulled back down. And I was thinking maybe if it's just reached here, I might just sell it and get out of it. But we will see how it's going to progress. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for your comments. And we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading is one way to create a stream of income. Just start small and slowly but surely you will get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to your liking to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags, cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. And we do have a lot of videos in this series, and this is video 201, trying to cover all the different aspects of swing trading in case you are interested in it. So thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.